Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delightful bread toast with egg and milk. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or a comforting snack. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 1 large egg, and about 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter or cooking oil for cooking. Have a shallow dish ready for dipping and a non-stick pan for frying. Now, let's prepare our flavorful egg mixture. Carefully crack 1 large egg directly into your shallow dish. Next, pour in about 1/4 cup of milk. For an extra touch of deliciousness, you can add a tiny pinch of salt and a dash of cinnamon, if you like. Using a fork or a small whisk, beat the egg and milk together until they are completely smooth and well combined. This creates the perfect coating for your toast. With your egg mixture ready, it's time to cook. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, heating it over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, take 1 slice of bread and dip it into the egg and milk mixture, ensuring both sides are fully coated. Gently place the soaked bread into the hot pan. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Once your toast is perfectly golden brown and cooked through, carefully remove it from the pan. Now comes the best part. Serving, you can enjoy this delicious egg milk toast plain or with your favorite toppings. Consider a drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or some fresh berries for a burst of flavor. This warm, comforting, and easy-to-make treat is ready to be savored. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.